Welcome to my YouTube channel, Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmari. Welcome friends. Today I came before you the important topic, that is the climate change, and the particular today's focus is on the smart cities. So friends, you all are aware that in present scenario, in present condition, generally smart city is a need of today's hour. And when we are planning for the smart city, we are also planning for a good and beautiful city. When we are planning for a beautiful city, naturally we have to make changes in the particular city. Say for example, they are planning regarding municipal drainage, they are planning regarding the particularly street lights, the planning regarding flyovers, and various others planning are required to make the city a beautiful one. When you want to make a city a beautiful one, there needs lot of changes, and in this lots of changes, today I want to concentrate on some of the issues regarding the smart city and climate change. So friends, let's start our video without wasting time, and today I would highlight on needs of the particularly smart city and climate change. What is the impact of the climate change? So friends, you all are aware that there is a particular requirement of a good environment. Now when our population is growing at a vast level, when our population is growing at a high level, then you will come to know that there are different problems relating to the infrastructure, there are different problems regarding to the resources, there are different problems regarding to the sustainability. So once you say that there is a good environment, then only you can go for the future progress. So this is one of the important aspects we have to keep in mind. Now next point is that for a good smart city, we require good type of power grids, we require waterways, road, power supply, and essential needs for smart city. Say for example, just I talked regarding waste disposal, waste management system, plantation system, and also at the same time we must not forget, or we must not have a idea, we must have an idea regarding generation, or the particularly the e-waste which we generate, that has to be taken care of. Say for example, whatever the historic monuments are there in the city, that are also to be preserved, because that is our cultural heritage, that is our cultural heritage, and we require that good heritage. Next point is that with all these things, when you are creating a smart city, what is the need? The need is regarding the job creation. People want job, people want employment, people want high amount of money. So for this also, this particularly project will consist of the network integration, and also use of renewable sources. Whatever the waste you generate, from that waste also you can be able to generate new things. You have to generate this particular new things. So you have to keep in mind that whatever you waste you generate, whatever things you do, that should be according to the particularly today's need. People must be aware of e-waste, people must be aware of the other types of waste, sludge waste, people must be aware of the dirty water. Even the dirty water can be treated, and that can be recycled and reused for the development of the particular human beings. There are many projects which are going on regarding the recirculation of water, recycle of water. So recycling is one of the important basic needs you have to keep in mind. And also, when you say about the smart cities, there may be some changes in the rural and urban development. Say for example, when you ask for rural and urban development, the first problem here prima facie will arise of skill development opportunities, whether the people are skillful. No, at present we are not having skilled people, and therefore the skilled people, they are going to America, they are going to China, they are going to Russia, and they are going anywhere whenever there is a need and when there is a supply. Say for example, we are having lots of poverty. That poverty we have to first of all drain out. Say for example, in rural areas today also you find that there are no good roads, transport facilities not there, complete electrification, say for example rural electrification is not there. Today also 20 to 25% of India, it is in the dark, in the rural areas, slum areas, where the sanitation facilities are not proper, where the high energies are not used, where the waste is not taken care of, and all types of problems are there in the particularly the smart cities, in the particularly rural area. So there is a need of urban development. Now when you say there is a need of rural development, you must also give some ideas or recommendations to change this scenario. Say for example, you have to understand first of all the basic problems of rural and urban people, because rural people have different problems and urban people have different problems. We have to take their consideration both, and we have to sort out like that. Say for example, nowadays you all are very much aware, last month only our Honorable Prime Minister has gone to Glasgow, UK, where he was in the particularly the conference for environment, that is COP26. Okay, and in this particular conference it was agreed by the all developed countries that the global warming is a major problem. You have to control it. At the same time, you have to control the temperature. They have agreed that presently the temperature must be below 1.5 degrees centigrade. And at the same time, there are various problems associated with the corporations. Many people, they are not giving electricity bills. Many people, they are not coming forward for the particularly bills. Now you think over that if you are unable to give the bills, you are unable to pay the building bills, and you are unable to have a good town planning, how can you define or how can you go for the particularly climate change, for the smart cities? So for going for smart cities, it has to be taken into that particular consideration, wherein you have to curb the climate change. So climate change is such a severe thing that each and every people of India must think over it, because it is a common effort, it is a common thing which has to be taken into consideration. Without that you cannot go. So that is very important. So people participation is one of the important ideas regarding the development of the particular city. To have a good city, you will have a good type of development also, and for that we must pay the taxes in time. We must generate the revenue so that our country will go ahead and ahead and ahead in the progress line. Okay, so no doubt we are very much good in the development, but still we require to go high and high so that our next generation will be benefited from the particular thing. To come to a particular conclusion here, I would like to say that a great transformation is to be needed. A good transformation is to be needed so that people will have an idea that you want good roads now, then you will have to pay for that. Say for example, in last week our Honorable Highway Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari ji has also said that If you want a good roads, excellent transport system, then you have to pay for the tolls also, because government has raised the tolls for the same time that you want a good area, good transport line, then you must also have to pay for that. Now in Maharashtra, if you go for Maharashtra, very good roads are being built up. Starting from, one example I can give you, that is starting from Solapur to Dhule, and Dhule to Solapur. If you find this road is excellent road present now, with all type of facilities. So such type of development if you need, then you have to pay the taxes in time and to have a good city, good type of city. So these are all points you have to keep in mind regarding the particular smart city and climate change. Climate change is there, but we have to be understandable, affordable, to go for a big type of change, to have a transaction, to have the particular transformation of the particular atmosphere and as well as the city also. Because unless you are going for all these things, you cannot expect for a good thing, you cannot expect for the particularly good idea. So all of you must have some thing which is associated with the climate change. All even for the small children also, they can also have they can also make a good change. Nowadays there is a need that people must be aware of the climate change, and therefore in this aspect I would like to highlight that all must be having the awareness of the climate change. So with this short points, or with this short discussion, I conclude my lecture. Thank you one and all for observing my lecture patiently. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare, and also put the bell icon on. Thank you one and all.